Hello and welcome to PixelPia Creative AI. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can transform your photos into stunning sketches using PicLumen. In just a few simple steps, you can turn your favorite photos into artistic masterpieces. And all of this for free. So with that said, let's move over to my computer. So here we are in PicLumen. This is PicLumen.ai. And all you have to do if it's your first visit here, you just click generate for free. You have to sign up for an account, but it is absolutely free to use and create in PicLumen. When we come in here to our create page, I prefer to click on this little advanced settings. So I have this open in my right hand side. And today we are going to convert images to sketches. First up, we have to choose our model. And for using image references, we have to work in PicLumen Realistic version 2. I'm going to set this to square image, but if you have any other format and you use a reference image, it will go into auto mode. How many images are we going to produce? One each time. I am actually going to show you 6 different variations. So we are just creating one image each time. Guidance scale controls how strongly your prompt influence to generate an image. And I will pull that up to 30, which is maximum. And steps is how many steps, how many layers AI will put on the image. And in this case, I'm just using 5 since we have a reference image. Now we need to add our image. We click on this little image icon with a little plus, and here you see some images I already have uploaded to my account. I'm gonna choose a new one, so I just click here, choose a file or drop it here, and I'm gonna upload this little girl that I have created earlier in PicLumen. So now I just click on that image that I'm going to use and it shows up here. Image reference type. We have 3 reference types: content reference, style reference, and character reference. Today we are only using character reference. And strength goes from 0.1 up to 1. The higher value, the more likeness of the content in the image we will have. So I drag that up to 1 together with the guidance scale at maximum 30. The first one we are going to do is a black and white line drawing in cartoon style. As you see, I don't give any description about the content of the image because I already had that as an image reference. And click the forward arrow here so it starts to producing. And here we have it as a black and white line drawing in cartoon style. Let's add the same image again. And make sure we have content reference and strength 1. I don't change any values in here, but in my prompt I just write pencil sketch and we send it. And here we have the pencil sketch, and if we compare that with the last one, you see that the pencil sketch is a little softer in its drawing style. The third style I want to show you is if I instead write color pencil sketch. and we send that to be rendered. And here we have the same image, but now as a color pencil sketch. As I said, I wanted to share 6 possible variations. There are probably many more you can use, so I encourage you to experiment. Next, I want it as a charcoal sketch. Sending it. And here we have this one. And if we compare that with the pencil sketch, this is even softer with more grayscale than the pencil sketch was. That was our number 4. For number 5, I want to show you how this girl would look as an ink drawing. And here we have much sharper contrast than the sketch or the charcoal. And the final one, I want to show you a color pen drawing. And here we have it as a color pen. So if we compare the different images here, and you can probably play with other information in your prompt, but we can see that it is the same girl in all images. And just for fun, let's say that we don't want her to be a sketch at all. We want a watercolor painting. And that actually looks like it could be made in watercolor. So as you can see, there are many possibilities. I didn't give any directions like for the color pencil. I could have said something about what color to choose. The same with the color pens and with the watercolor. I could have given more detailed directions. But I leave that up to you. Try it, experiment, and of course, remember to upload a photo that has good quality and good contrast. So this was a very basic tutorial on how you can upload your photo and use it as a content reference. Transforming photos into sketches has never been easier. Thanks to PicLumen's advanced AI capabilities. Unleash your creativity and turn your favorite images into stunning works of art today. And if you want to learn more, I already have a couple of videos about PicLumen. And in my next video, we are going to follow up today's video by taking a look at the 2 remaining functions you can use when uploading photos: style reference and character reference. So if you want to make sure that you don't miss that video, I suggest that you hit the little subscribe button and click on the bell so you get notified on when I upload. And I would love to hear your input. What do you think about this tutorial, about PicLumen, and what would you like to see when it comes to creative AI in the future? Leave your comments down below. Until next time, bye!